Next, let's talk about Grasshopper. And in this version of Comosys, we've added several new features to the Grasshopper integration, which we have. Over here on the left-hand side, first of all, you see this menu, the Comosys menu inside Grasshopper. And once you click that, you have these options. And over here, you have all the different types of structs which we use, which I've listed over here. So things like your weld line struct, things like your this is related to the welding struct, the numbering struct, for example, your part prefixes, your numbering prefixes. This is the rotation angle of the profiles you will create, the coordinate system struct over here, the drawing related variables, things like exclude from dimensioning, do not annotate, and formwork group. These are very important variables which you might want to integrate. Your position and depths and your position and plane variables, your rotation variables, similarly your end offsets, all these basic structs which are used inside Comosys. And as far as the objects go, we've added several more. Previously, we had only integration with profiles and plates primarily, but now the generic solids, extrusion generic solids, the general generic solids, which can be basically any shape, and also your rebars and grids have been integrated. So you have a lot of control now, and you can basically create almost any kind of shape which you want. So as a very simple example here, I've just made an outer polygon curve. I've made some inner polygon holes, and there's a path of extrusion. So this is the path of extrusion. This is the outer polygon. This one is the inner holes. I've plugged them all into this one over here, which is the generic solid with extrusion. This one over here. I've just plugged these in, basically the coordinate system, the path, the outer polygon, and the holes. And if I just go back and I have a live link with my model, if I press bake and go to Comosys, which should be open at this point, my extruded, very rough bridge section is created, as you can see on the screen. Let's just tweak the path a bit. So maybe I can move this point up and move this one down a bit. What about these two? Maybe I can bring this closer over here. Bring this closer like that. Once again, I just go back in, right click, say bake, go to my Comosys window, and the new different path has been used for the extrusion. So very convenient. You all know what Grasshopper is capable of. Now you can use all those capabilities to set up your very complicated roofs, bridges, facades, or anything with a difficult geometry.